નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Question number 3 of question number 1 for the exercise 7.2. In these questions, given angle LMN is equal to angle FGH, angle LNML is equal to angle HFG, ML is equal to FG, and so triangle LMN congruent triangle GFH. So first of all, this two triangle is given. So draw our two triangle. So this one is first triangle and this one is my second triangle. Give the name L, M, N, G, F and H. Here is the which congruence criterion do you use? It means which criteria are used in this question. Then and then these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so we will find. So first of all, he is the given. It means MLN FGH. It means the between जो है, this is our angles. It means in this angle L and in this one is angle G. Right? So these two angles are same. Why? Because this is the givens, not I am asked. Second one is the M and F. M, so this one, and F, it means here is to this one. It means these angles are also for the same. ML it means this one. FG it means this one. So dear students, what is that used? So here used two angle and one sides. Check that. These two angles and one side. Same for the here two angle and one sides. So two angle and one side, it means which type of the criteria? Two angles and one side, it means ASA. ASA criteria are used. Then triangle LMN congruent triangle GFH. Here used which type of the criteria? ASA, it means angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, and this side is included side of these two angles. Understands? ASA criterion, same for the ASA, angle, side, angle criterion are used in these questions. Same for the next is the question number 4. In these questions also for the given EB is equal to BD, AE is equal to CB, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. So triangle ABE congruent triangle CDB. So first of all, here given two triangles, so draw two triangles. So here this one is my first triangle and this one is my second triangle. Sorry, here is this row. This types of the triangle. This types of the triangle. Why this types of the triangle? Because here angle A, angle C is equal to 90 degree. So this one is the 90 degrees, means right angle triangle. So give the name A, B and E. Here give the name C, D and B. These angles, this two is the 90 degree angles. Angle A and angle C, this one is the 90 degree angles. Then after let's check, AB is equal to BD. So AB, it means this one, is equal to BD, it means this one. Then after AE is equal to CB. AE, it means this one, is equal to CB, it means this one. So dear students, what is the use in this question? So first of all, right angle. Right angle to opposite side, this means hypotenuse side. So right angle, hypotenuse, and this one is only side. It means which type of the criteria are used? The right angle, hypotenuse side. It means R for right angle, H for hypotenuse, and S is means side. So RHS, it means right angle, hypotenuse, sides criterion are used in these questions. So write down RHS criterion are used. Then triangle ABE congruent triangle CDB. this criterion are used and then these two triangles are congruent to each other. And in this questions, ASAS means this criterion are used and these two triangles are congruent to each other. So understand students, how to find the criterion are used is any questions? Clear? To the question number 2. In question number 2, you have to show that triangle AMP congruent triangle AMQ in the following proof. Supply the missing region. It means this one is our triangle. In this figure is the how many triangles? The two triangles. Now one triangle is AMP. This one is my one triangle, and AMQ. This one is my second triangle. So these two triangles are congruent to each other in these questions. Now we will write the reasons. Here is the PM is equal to MQY. Write down the reason. Same for the this one is reason, this one is reason, and this one is reason. It means we will write the in these 4 reasons for the following questions. So let's start the first of all. Here is the given. It means here is the 2. It means 2. It means these two sides are same. It means given the question, these two sides are same. This sides and this side, these two sides are same, including in questions. Right? Same for the these angles of the both the triangles are same. Angle M is both triangle AMP, angle M is in AMQ, angle M is, it means this angle is including of both the triangle. This one is also for the questions. So let's start the first one. PM is equal to MQ. It means this one and this one both are same. Why? These twos are both are same because of is this one is the given in these questions. हमने फिगर दी गई है, फिगर में ही हमें कहा गया है कि PM और MQ ये दोनों सेम है. Why? Because यहाँ पे वे साइन की गई है. इस साइन मतलब ये साइड और ये साइड. इसमें यहाँ पे दोनों है. इसमें दिस वन इज इसमें बोथ द साइड्स आर सेम. तो ये दोनों सेम है. ये हम लोग नहीं कह रहे, क्वेश्चन में भी दिया गया है. इसमें दिस वन इज द रीजन इज दिस क्वेश्चन रीजन इज गिवन. दिस क्वेश्चन रीजन इज गिवन. दिस वन इज गिवन इन क्वेश्चंस. क्लियर? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रीजन, दिस क्वेश्चन रीजन इज मींस गिवन, क्वेश्चन में भी दिया गया है. सेम फॉर द एंगल PMA is equal to angle QMA. It means here is between M, here is also between M. It means both angle is means M. It means both triangles same angle. Why? So dear students, here is the in this figure M is both the triangle. ये भी इन लोगों ने क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है, हमने कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा है. So second question answer also for the given. Why? Because आप फिगर में देखो तो M जो है वो दोनों में है. Then after the third one, AM is equal to AM. Now dear students, AM is equal to AM. Here is the AM. Here not sign. It means फिगर में कहीं पे भी आपको उसके बारे में कोई रीजन नहीं दिया गया तो हमें रीजन फाइंड करना होगा. AM and AM. So triangle AMP and triangle AMQ. AM and AM दोनों में AM आ रहा है. It means this AM is means common of these two triangle. AM is common of two triangle. It means this one is answer is common side. Common side. This one is our reason. AM is equal to AM है. Why? Because this one is the common side of these two triangle. AMP, AMQ, AMP, AMQ, AM दोनों में है. It means AM common है. So common side. So this one is reasons. Then after this one is the triangle AMP congruent triangle AMQ. AMP and AMQ. This two is the congruent. Why? It means here using the one criteria. So our 4 criteria SSS, SAS, ASA and RHS. तो इन 4 ट्राइंगल्स में से कोई एक क्राइटेरिया हमें यहाँ पे यूज हुआ होगा. चलो देखते हैं कौन सा ट्राइंगल्स कौन सा क्राइटेरिया यूज हुआ है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन एंड दिस वन इट मींस इज कॉल्ड अ साइड, इज कॉल्ड अ एंगल. एंड AM वो दोनों में सेम है. इट मींस दिस साइड. सो व्हाट क्राइटेरिया आर यूज्ड? Which criteria are used? See, S, A and S. SAS, it means side, angle, side. SAS SAS criterion used. So SAS criterion used. SAS criterion used करके ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कैसे हो गए? Congruent. This two is the congruent triangle. AMP, AMQ. S is means sides. So this two is the also side. A means angle. So this one is angle, and S for the also side, and this one is side. Here is the only one line. This means AM is the including of the both the triangle. Understand? Clear in the question number 2? Done? Now to the next is the question number 3. In this question, in the figure, the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RAT congruent. Here is question mark. This means we will write the which triangles are congruent of triangle RAT. So here given figure. So this one is the RAT figure, and this one is the some triangles. So let's start. So first of all, check A to corresponding which angle? So here is the two signs. Is the two angles means O. Angle A and angle O are correspond. Same for the T. T to 3 means N. And then after R. Angle R to correspond angle W. So ये हो गई angles की बात. Now the sides also for the given. So AR is equal to. It means correspond to. चलो. AR correspond to. Here is the two signs. Here is the two lines. The two lines this means WO. Same for the AT. AT to correspond. Here is the only one line. So one line is means NO. So clear? Understand? Let's start. Triangle RAT congruent. One by one. Okay? How to decide it? So R2 angle R and angle W are common. So here is the triangle. First of all we will write W. Then after A and which angles correspond? O. Write down. O. Clear? And then after T means what? W means W. So triangle RAT and triangle WON are congruent triangles of each other. So our answer is, here is answer, triangle WON. Triangle WON. Now check RA. This means WO. Here is the WO. Same for the AT. AT means ON. ON and O same side, no? ON or NO, dono same sides. So don't worry. Clear? So this one is our question number 3rd answer. So these two triangles are congruent to each other, and this one is we will find. So this method. So understand question number 3? Done?
Thank you for joining us.